Hi, in today's video we will break down swing points, what they are, what they indicate, and how we use them for maximum profits. A swing high is peak on a price chart where the price reaches a local maximum before declining. A swing low is a level where the price hits a local minimum before rising. These points help traders identify trends and potential reversal areas. Swing points are an excellent indicator of market direction and areas where liquidity is likely to be. So, not only do they show market direction, but they also act as the key levels for potential setups. That's why we consider swing points as a very strong indicator for our strategy. As I mentioned, swing points show the market trend. When swing points start forming higher and higher on the chart, so-called higher highs and higher lows, it means the market is in uptrend and the buyers dominate the market. It's a clear signal that the price is interested in forming higher peaks and testing higher price levels. When we see a series of swing points forming lower highs and lower lows, it means the market is weak and sellers dominate. This behavior is called downtrend. When the price moves sideways, swing points form at the same levels, often resulting in several swing highs at same price level and several swing lows also at the same price level. This is what we call range. This means that the market doesn't have a clear direction. These are the ways swing points determine the market trend. And now let's take a look at how to profit from these swing points. We use swing points as the key levels, specifically the areas above or below these swing high or swing low points. These zones are important because they contain a lot of liquidity. Once this liquidity is taken, the market usually reverses sharply. So these areas are the zones that we monitor through order flow. So in the end, it's not the swing points themselves that are most important, but rather the zones above or below them. The area below a swing low is considered as a strong support from which we expect bounce upwards. Therefore, once the price reaches this zone, we look for bullish setups on lower timeframes. The area above a swing high is considered as a strong resistance from which we expect a bounce downwards. Therefore, once the price reaches this zone, we look for bearish setups on lower timeframes. It's important to keep in mind that the chance of price reversing above or below these points is 50%. So we don't trade these zones blindly. We always wait to see how market participants behave on lower timeframe. And that's where order flow comes in. Same rule as with the other key levels. Where to look for great swing points. Strong swing points are usually from higher timeframes. So 1 hour, 4 hour or daily. Lower timeframes such as 5 minute, 15 minute or 30 minute are great for trade execution and entries. Now we are looking at the Bitcoin chart and I want you to focus on the period between April and July. We can see that the market is in a clear uptrend, with the prices forming higher high and higher low swing points. The 100,000 level is also very interesting, because we see test of the zone below previous swing low. It's clearly visible that the price tested this level and then made 25% move without major interruptions. That's why the areas below of these swing points or above of the swing points work as a strong key levels for potential setups. In practice, we would monitor the test of this zone on lower timeframes using order flow and wait for bullish setup. We have a similar situation in the section between February and April. Here, the price forms a lower high and a lower low swing points, which clearly indicate a downtrend. Again, we can see that the price tested the zone above a swing high and then made a sharp 8% move downward. This is once more on the 4-hour chart, so for potential entries here, we would use lower timeframes. Again, with combination with order flow. These are examples from the live market. As you can see, the market respects these zones very well. Once you learn to observe traders' behavior in these zones, it will be an absolute game changer for you. So if you want to continue learning, I prepared full order flow, volume and price action crypto trading course for free. This course is on my website lunaracademy.eu. Each topic has its own module, where you can find plenty of videos including free PDFs. So if you are interested, I'll leave you a link in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching.